Right, today is going to be the big day to see if we can start this little Benford dumper up. She's quite an old one. New little project that I've had dropped off, but I'm actually going to use it. And this was quite badly dented, so I quickly pulled that out because it was rubbing on the back tyres before I replaced the back tyres. So we put some new tyres on. I just painted the wheels up. The other wheel, when I got it, was all bent and ripped, so I had to weld it up. I'm looking everywhere for some spare wheels, but as and when I get them, we'll put them on. But I just need it so it can be usable. I've got a few little jobs that I want to use the little dumper for, and then we'll do a restoration on her, make her nice and new. So yeah, that's the plan. But like always, I'm not going to paint it yellow. Every dumper you see is yellow, and I don't like yellow because it's going to be an eyesight, and I don't really fancy having an eyesight yellow. So I'm going to paint it company colours, so it's going to go a nice grey, and then obviously a blue, a bit like the little Fergie. So it's going to match with the little Fergie, so they become a matching pair, a part of a company. That's the plan. So there we are. So I'll put a little handle on it, on there, because the steering wheel's bent and I've got to get a new one, but I just want to use that for now so I can use it. And so let's see if she fires up. She hasn't been started for well, as far as I know, 3 years. Been left in a bush, and then the previous owner had it in a barn for how long we don't know. So let's see what happens. Right, let's see if we can get this little piece started. The first time in how long? Wow! Well, not too bad. I don't know how long this hasn't been started for. All I know is that it was in a bush for about 3 years, and the person, he bought it off someone else that was stuck in a barn for God knows how long. So there we are. She's running.